So here we'll be using the power of 3 to take a trade. This played out perfectly today, February 23rd. So we're on the 15-minute time frame, and you could see that we had accumulation in the Asia session. We then had manipulation to the upside in London. So now we are looking for distribution to the downside for the real move. So in order for me to take the trade, I want to see London high get swept. I want to see a clear sweep with displacement, and then I want to see a nice displacement candle come down, and then I want to see it tap back into a fair value gap on the smaller time frame, and then ride it to the next lows or next liquidity grabs. So if we go ahead and fast forward this on the 15-minute, we're waiting for London high to get swept, and it did get swept right there beautifully. Now if you were to go down to the smaller time frames, you could see even better here. We're on the 5-minute time frame, and you could see there's a fair value gap that occurred right there. Here's a fair value gap. Price came, it took liquidity here, it did a strong displacement candle, created a fair value gap on the 5-minute, and price went back to tap into here. So this is where you actually could have placed your limit order, and you could have taken it to the downside. You can also see it on the smaller time frames as well. So here we are on the 2-minute time frame, just to show you guys. So you would wait for this candle right here to close. And next you could see you got your fair value gap right here. So you could place your sell limit order right above here for price to tap back into there. Let's play it out. Boom, you're in. You can go ahead and put your stop loss above this wick or above this high. And then your TP is going to be the next lows, which in this case we can target first London low, and then we can target Asia low next, depending on how price reacts here. So let's play it out. And as you could see, this trade would have played out beautifully. We went ahead, we swept London lows. We also went ahead and swept Asia lows, and we actually went all the way down to target previous New York liquidity, which could have been your final take profit. And as you can see, after it grabbed that liquidity, we started getting bullish momentum back to the upside.